Seems like forever since we've been together. Oh God, I miss you.
Good morning. Today's an exciting day because today we're getting our Apple Watch Series 8 delivered at the Lemon home. Before the Apple Watch gets delivered and before we unbox it, obviously, I have to do a couple of things and I want you to come with me. Check this out. All right, so look at, actually, before I tell you that, did you guys know that all of the plugs, everything at the house, every single port, everything at the home is HomeKit enabled. These ones are actually from Eve. So look at this, I can simply turn it off straight from my watch. It's pretty cool. Anyways, the thing that I wanted to tell you and the thing that we gotta do today is, this is the table that I got, a custom wood table. It's absolutely beautiful. And the guy that did the table, they don't do chairs. So today we're picking up some chairs. I already have them picked and stuff, but we gotta pick up 3 of the chairs. I'm guessing 3. What do you guys think? Oh, also this guy, they gotta set that up next week at the doorbell. So much cool HomeKit stuff coming at the Lemon home. One last thing before I hop on the shower, we gotta go. Look at this. I gotta set this guy up still, but this is actually a door key. And this is actually gonna be replaced by this. So I can literally just walk in the Lemon home just by raising up my Apple Watch with Apple passkey. It's amazing. I can't wait to set that up. Okay, we got things to do. Holy crap, remember yesterday that I said that the weather was like super nice? The weather is just getting nicer. I'm not cold, but I'm cool. And I'm wearing a short sleeve polo. Love the weather.
From the day you stole my heart, I never ever want to be apart. Don't you ever...
Okay, these are the chairs. What do you guys think? I love this right here. Getting 2. And if I need more, I'll get 3, but 2 for now. Okay, got the chairs. They're not giving them to me now though. I gotta wait like 2 weeks for them to ship and be delivered to my house, which, kind of sucks. It is what it is though. Okay, awesome news. I just got a notification that my Apple Watch has been delivered at the Lemon home. Let's go get it, baby. I'm running. Yes, we're running. Okay. Right here is the brand new Apple Watch Series 8. I am beyond excited for this. Why am I excited if there's not that many new features on it? Well, I love the Apple Watch. It's my favorite Apple product of the year every single year. It's my favorite Apple product of all time. So every single small change that it has, I absolutely love. Is it worth it from the Apple Watch Series 7? Obviously not, but we're still gonna be unboxing it. We're still gonna be checking out. And I'm super excited about this. And can we talk how beautiful the packaging is every single year? I absolutely love this printing right here. Every single year, I love to get the new Apple Watch because I love to change the actual Apple Watch casing. And this year, I decided to get the Apple Watch in stainless steel in silver, and I am beyond excited about this. I also picked up the Pride Band because I actually gave away my last one and I actually didn't get to keep it. Okay, and here we go. By far one of the most beautiful Apple Watch bands that Apple has ever released. And... all right, and now the moment that I've personally been waiting for, the Apple Watch Series 8 in beautiful stainless steel. All right, so the new Apple Watch Series 8 does have wrist temperature sensing. So if you love to track your period, that will be great for you. I'm not going to be using it for that, but still, it's amazing that it has that and it will help a bunch of women in the world. Also, car crash detection, now on Apple Watch Series 8, not a big deal. I mean, it's a big deal, but I really hope I don't use it, and I hope you don't too. So the puck charger is not stainless steel, instead it's got this matte aluminum. I like it. I like it quite a lot. Anyways, the moment that I've been waiting for, once again, is the Apple Watch itself. And we gotta check it out. I honestly can't wait to put my wrist cam on the stainless steel body. I absolutely love the little case that Apple Watch actually comes in. It's made out of like paper. This thing is gorgeous. Something that's a pretty big deal on the Apple Watch Series 8 for me is international roaming. So now the cellular models will actually have roaming. So for me, for example, I go traveling a lot and I have eSIMs on my phones. So now when I go traveling, I can actually go cellular with my Apple Watch. I mean, if you're a traveler, this is a pretty big deal. Okay, so I'm currently editing the video and you guys gotta see this. So now, the Apple Watch Nike watch faces are available on all Apple Watch. So the Apple Watch Nike edition is gone. It's completely gone. So if you guys go on Apple Watch Nike on the website, you can only buy the bands now. So the Apple Watch Nike edition watch, it's gone forever. Crazy. I was not expecting that. It's pretty cool that I have the Nike watch faces now on a stainless steel watch. Awesome stuff. Okay, back to the video. Anyways, let me go ahead and put my wrist cam. If you guys don't know what wrist cam is, I don't really know what you're doing with your life. Wrist cam is the one and only camera for the Apple Watch. And wrist cam allows you to take photo and video directly on your wrist. There are certain moments that capturing that moment on your phone doesn't make sense, and it just makes sense to capture it on your Apple Watch. So guess what? Wrist cam actually has an action button, so you can literally snap a photo without needing the Wristcam app to be opened. And the biggest thing is video calling coming to the Apple Watch. I mean, let me show you how a video call is actually on the watch. Right? Okay, say hello to everybody. Are you walking your dog right now? And that's as simple as that. I mean, having video calling on your wrist is so cool. I mean, you're obviously not gonna have a 15-minute call on your wrist, but for a quick video call, just so, you know, if you need anything, it's amazing. Also, like being able to use cellular with your wrist cam, you can literally go free from your phone. Anyways, let's get rid of my Apple Watch Series 7. Goodbye, old friend. I will miss you a lot, and say hello to this beautiful stainless steel that I'm super excited to see how it looks on my wrist cam. I just gave my Apple Watch superpowers with wrist cam. Anyways, check out my wrist cam review if you guys want to learn more about wrist cam, and check out my Apple Watch review as well. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm happy that I finally got my Series 8. Don't judge me, okay? I'm not happy. I'm a happy person. Check out these videos. Okay, bye.